Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about why SEO isn't working for your Amazon listings and how to fix it. Let's dive in. Let's talk about why SEO might not be working for your Amazon listings and, more importantly, how to fix it. Search engine optimization on Amazon can feel like one of those things where it seems like everyone is doing it perfectly, but in reality, many sellers are missing out on critical steps. If you're thinking you can just hire someone, throw some keywords into your listing, and call it a day, that's where things go wrong. SEO on Amazon isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process that requires continuous attention and refinement. Once you build your listing, sure, you've got your title, bullet points, and A-plus content, but have you optimized it fully? If you're not taking advantage of all the opportunities within your listing, like crawlable text in your A-plus content, you could be missing out on valuable ranking potential. Another issue is with the search terms section. Amazon gives you up to 500 bytes to include relevant keywords, but a lot of sellers don't even use that full space. Leaving any of that unused is missing out on about 20% of your potential SEO value. And it's not just about filling it up, it's about using those keywords effectively. Having the right mix of terms can significantly boost your ranking over time. Let's also talk about Amazon's newer tools like the Search Query Performance Report and the Product Opportunity Explorer. These tools are here to help you analyze what's working and what's not. If you're not utilizing them, you're missing a major part of optimizing your SEO. Another common misconception is that sellers think they have to choose between focusing on traffic or conversion rates. But here's the thing, it's much easier to double your traffic than it is to double your conversion rate. The key is to get more relevant traffic to your listings in the first place. And by focusing on your SEO, from the title and search terms to the overall optimization of your listing, you can achieve just that. So, if your SEO isn't working, it's probably because you're not continuously optimizing, not fully utilizing the tools available, or not filling out every possible detail. But the good news is, it's all fixable with the right approach. Just remember, SEO is a long-term game. It's about making ongoing improvements to stay competitive. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll continue to share more Amazon tips and strategies to help you improve your performance. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.